Going for a family hike. Got a long ways to go. Let's do this. What? No. See the highway down there.
What are you watching?
Hmm?
What are you watching?
Not watching anything.
You're playing something?
No.
What are you doing?
Recording.
Oh.
Big dirt pile right there. Period. I don't give a rat's ass. It's getting smaller and smaller. We're in Winona, Minnesota right now. Going for a nice little hike before fall starts. Yeah. Sorry. Got a long ways to go. There. I like this view. Hold my tree.
You can go in front of me.
Oh, okay. Or logs. This big old tree in the middle. Acorns dropping. Another tree in the middle of the path.
So today's Sunday because we have.
Get that heat back. This is gonna be awkward. Whoa, holy. Look at this, it's like crazy. Family nature walk. Look at it, like how that's just up now. Wait, where do we go? We go up here. A very sharp turn. Little steps. There's a sharp turn up here. There's another sharp turn right here. Some mini path that goes in there, but it's not like a path. Going up there. A lot of BS. And I like going for hikes. The highway's all the way down there. You can't really see it. Kind of reminds me of the woods we have back home. We're 6 hours away from my house right now. My sister goes to school here. Go down far. How far down that is. I just heard a bunch of acorns dropping. That's happening. My grandma's house that lives in town, she has a bunch of trees and acorns drop all the time. Sometimes I like to pick them up and throw them on my parents just for fun. Like when I was a kid, I like throw acorns. Look up here where those branches are not. I gotta create an intro for you guys. I don't have a saying right now. It's really smoky. We're doing this early in the morning, so it's supposed to get really hot today. So yeah. That's pretty much why we're doing it so early. Only 9 o'clock in the morning. Just like showing, let's look at the top. Yeah, so we're just going for a hike. It's a little vacation. Saturday. I usually work Monday through Friday each week, but yesterday I did not work because we had to drive all the way up here. I brought my 3DS Nintendo Switch, and we go to see my sister and her friends later. So yeah, I'm excited for that. We're gonna play some Mario Kart later at her house. We can't play it at our hotel. These rocks. Let's step on all these. I'm trying not to. Yeah, bitch, fuck off. Sorry, not anyone, just these stupid little bug fuckers. Bug fuckers, that's funny. Like that movie A Bug's Life. Never seen it, but get out of here. Or just like cotton. Holy, this sand is like beach sand. Holy shit. Here, I'll show you. This is straight up like beach sand. Literal beach sand. Beach sand, you guys. Look at this. I never knew woods had beach sand. It's fucking crazy. Oh, we're at the top. Look at this. Holy. I'm not stepping up there.
Jackson, come sit up here.
Oh. Look at that view. Holy shit. I don't want to go any closer to that because I'm afraid I'm going to drop my phone. Jesus. It's crazy for this high up. I'm literally in between the mountain and bushes. Oh, look at this, the other side of the town over there. Whoa. Oh. Ooh. I'm fine. I know what I'm doing. Oh. Whoa. Fun fact, I'm scared of heights, so I'm not going up. My family went up though. Y'all look at it. Look, you see that over there? The light green stuff? I genuinely think that is a golf course right there. Oh, excuse me. Look at it right there. Here, I'll zoom in. Hold my Coke, so not there. Right there. You see that? There's no way that's not a golf course. That's got to be a golf course over there. Look at these mountains. Damn. I'm burping big burperson today. Look at this. Okay, I actually think that's a golf course. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my 3DS and play Mario Golf when I get back. Holy shit. There's no way that's not a golf course. No, I was just looking at that and I was like, that has got to be a golf course right there. That would no joke be the best place to go golfing. Like, actually, that'd be fucking sick. Fucking sick to go golfing over there. Just imagine I'm sitting right here and a helicopter just be right here in front of me. Like, it was just right here, right in front of me. That'd be crazy. Oh, for fuck's sakes, this is insane. This is literally insane. Winona, Minnesota, people. Or is it Winona? however you pronounce it. I don't live here, but obviously I'm not going to tell you guys the town I live in because that'd be invasion of my privacy. This town is like many hours away from my town. That is an insane view. That has to be a golf course. I know you guys are going to be like, Jackson, you literally said that a million times, but like, that has got to be a golf course over there. Right there. That has to be a golf course right there. It has to be. There's no way that's not a golf course. It has to be. That's got to be a golf course. Because I know that wouldn't be just a meadow over there. Now we're going down. Still don't know how there's... I still don't know how there's beach sand in a freaking woods. Makes no sense. I'm making myself run because I can't walk down this stupid trail. What? Yo, I'm about to get sand all up in my shoes. I swear. You're like, Jackson, what are you doing? Well, I cannot walk down this trail. There's these rocks again. How is there beach sand in a woods? Can someone explain that to me? That is crazy. Someone just took our picture up top. Oh. Going down now. Yeah, as I showed you guys up top, the highways. Just the highway is so down there. I think after this, we're probably gonna go, maybe go to Target. I don't know. We'll see. We're going down, down, down. We're at the top, and then I was configuring if that open grasses was a golf course or not. We'll find out later, I'm sure. We're done. We're all done. We completed our hike. We're gonna walk around this whole lake. I'm gonna use a bike, but we gotta fill the tires first. My parents are back there. Oh, I want to get my head out of the way. They're right there. Look at this awesome picnic table. Huh? Wait, do they on? They move? That's crazy. Oh. Wee. Oh, one of the chairs missing on that one. My family was over there trying to use the bike pump, but it's not fucking working. I feel sorry for them, but I'm not really getting much help, so yeah. We're probably gonna, it's 10:30 right now, so probably gonna go to Target and then maybe go get some lunch. Oh, and then at 2 we're gonna go do some axe throwing, so yeah. That'll be a fun time. Be a great time. One of my sister's friends is going to join us. Look at this, you guys. Look at this mountain. It's crazy. My sister's rollerblading right now. Look at that. Look at that house up there. That's crazy. What's that, a power tower? Oh yeah, it's a power tower, alright. Damn. Yeah, literally, look at, we're gonna walk down this whole mother effing lake. It's gonna take like an hour at least, at the most. Or I don't know, some shit like that. Yeah, look at, we're literally gonna walk around this whole lake. You guys are gonna come with me. And this time, I will not be scared to drop my phone because we're not on top of on the very tippity top of a freaking mountain. It's my first time doing a vlog, so yeah, I'm excited. let's get it. Oh, I got a haircut. Look at, I got my sideburns cut. I got it cut yesterday morning right before we left for the vacation. Because my hair was so fucking long. I was like, oh, see, look at this. Look at, I got it cut right here, very short, and I like that. Look at right here too. Oh, I'm terrible at aiming the camera. Right there. Yeah. Look, I got the top trim too. Another fact about me, I use certain shampoo because some shampoos make my head itch, so yeah. Oh, and I've officially gone 2 full days without sugar because my doctor told me I should be eating less sugar, so yay! 2 days sugar-free. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I'm attempting to eat healthier, so, and right now it's working. Yeah, so yeah, right now I'm trying to be sugar-free right now. I'll try to post more stuff like this. I'll try to post maybe some funny videos. Yeah, so I'll keep filming. I gotta put this away right now. These people around are looking and be like, what is this guy doing? Just recording himself, talking to himself. All right, I'm back to walking now. I sure brought my GoPro because I was just riding on my bike. I was telling my sister, like, oh yeah, I brought my GoPro and I have a hand strap for me. Okay, I need to speak more clearly. I brought a hand strap. Yeah, a hand strap for my GoPro, you know? Or like you just put it on, you put these 4 through the hole, and you have your thumbs, then you have your thumb sticking out. Yeah, I brought my GoPro and I have a hand strap that I got off eBay. I should have brought it because I could have recorded myself while I was riding my bike, like I was recording myself riding my scooter. Yeah. And it's the GoPro, it's like the AKA SO1. And it has an app where you can, like, all you have to do is just like hook it up to the Wi-Fi. Like the password is like, it's like for everyone, for every GoPro on that one, it's like the Wi-Fi password is like 123456789 or something like that. I'm not giving away anything, but like that's literally the Wi-Fi password for every single one. That GoPro, yeah, the Aka Soul. Yeah, that's the one I have, and it's like the Brave 7, I think. I should have brought it because I knew she would add a bike. I'd be like, oh, I could have brought my GoPro and I could have recorded myself riding the bike. But it's all right. Y'all, in Minnesota, summer is just about over. It's gonna be fall. Fall's gonna be very cold. I won't like it. But the only good thing about fall is that there's gonna be beautiful pictures of leaves I'll be taking. Videos of leaves falling from the trees, breaking up some leaf piles and jumping in them with my little cousins. Having pumpkin pie, celebrating Thanksgiving. That's it. I love fall. Unfortunately, where I live, fall does not last very long. Sadly. I mean, fall's... You're like, Jackson, is fall good or bad? You gotta make up your mind here. In my words, fall is not the worst season of fall season. We know what season that is. Where the white stuff comes down. We know what season is the worst. If you live in like the north part of the country, you know what I'm talking about.